A solar eclipse occurs when the moon reaches a point in orbit between the sun and the earth. This causes the moon to block the solar radiation, casting a shadow onto our planet. There are three different types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. When the moon covers the sun, it creates three types of shadows named the umbra, penumbra, and antumbra. These shadows are essential because they determine which type of solar eclipse you see. When the sun, moon, and earth aligns perfectly, a total solar eclipse will take place. This type of eclipse can only be seen if you are standing within the path of totality, an imaginary pathway that the umbral shadow follows. A partial solar eclipse, on the other hand, can be observed by people within the penumbral shadow. When viewing this phenomena, the moon will appear only to cover part of the sun, never intercepting the sunlight entirely. An annular solar eclipse can be observed when standing in the antumbral shadow. The antumbra isn't always visible because the moon's orbit isn't a circle, but instead an ellipse. This means that sometimes the Earth is close enough to cut off the antumbra, and sometimes it is further away, allowing us to be standing in the antumbral shadow. When observing an annular eclipse, the moon won't appear large enough to block the sun completely, which leaves the outer ring of the sun exposed to our eyes. So, why doesn't a solar eclipse occur every month during a new moon? Well, this is because the moon's orbit is tilted by a few degrees, so normally it is not in line with the ecliptic plane that contains Earth's orbit around the sun. The lunar nodes, 2 points of the orbit that intersect with the ecliptic, are the reason why we get eclipses at all. When the lunar nodes align with the sun, that's when a solar eclipse will occur.